Here over at Lions Park, we replaced the original 25-year-old chiller, and by doing that, we were able to provide air conditioning to the gymnasium for the first time. Let's go take a look. So I'm standing where the living room of the house on Malin would have been. As you well know, the district was able to acquire the property, and that is what made the expansion of this parking lot possible. At Westbrook, we installed a sensory floor to allow for movement breaks for our students. We also laid new asphalt for the basketball courts. So we're here in the Lincoln cafeteria, where we had some new floors put down. These floors are easier to clean and will help with sanitation. In addition to that, this area got a fresh coat of paint, and we're preparing for a new food service company, Quest, to come on in, not only to provide food service for students at Lincoln, but also for the students at our elementary schools. In addition to the floors in the cafeteria, all of the classrooms were redone. Different color, but same type of floor and same kind of concept. Easier to clean and less hours on labor. Still here at Lincoln, all of the lockers got a fresh coat of paint. Really contrasts well with the floor and the ceiling at this point, and the different walls and colors. And in addition to that, any of the areas that were had some damage were all repaired. So when the students do come back, they are ready to go. Our one project here at the administration building was building a receiving room. So as you can see now, we clearly separate the work area, the IT server room, from the loading dock. And at this point of the year, it's filled with PPE to prepare for our staff and students to prepare to return to school. And finally at Fairview, we're finishing up construction for our new and expanded parking lot, ready for the first day of students.